Discover what makes the Lake District world famous. Poet-inspiring landscapes, serenely beautiful and boat-worthy lakes, England's most challenging peaks, fine old towns, plus family fun and adventure unlimited. So seize the day trip, starting on the doorstep of whichever fantastic holiday park in the Lake District you pick. 5-star White Cross Bay, enviably set on the shore of Windermere. Lime Fit, quietly tucked away in wonderful walking country in the Troutbeck Valley. Fallbarrow, peacefully set at the lakeside near Bowness. Whether it's a caravan or lodge stay, or a touch of indulgence on a luxury hot tub escape, we've got you covered with fantastic accommodation choices for the perfect Lake District holiday. So what's not to miss today? Family attractions, a day of exploring, or looking for action and adventure? The Lake District has it all. Cruise, sail, or walk beside the water. Get carried back in time. Fascinate the whole family. Go on, we dare you. Or amble where memories are made. Can't wait to help yourself to a slice of the Lake District. There ain't no destination like it. Book your holiday in the Lake District today.